Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your exact phone model and accepting that opening it can void warranty. This matters because sensor access differs. Once ready, lay out a precision screwdriver, plastic spudger, and an external IR illuminator. Next, power the phone off and remove any SIM tray and battery if removable to prevent shorts. Carefully warm seams to soften adhesive, then use the spudger to lift the back panel slowly. Make sure to keep screws separated by size, so reassembly is straightforward. Once the panel is off, locate the rear camera module, disconnect the flex cable gently and remove module screws. You will see the IR cut filter over the sensor. Remove it carefully or swap it for a clear optical spacer to let near-infrared through. Why do this? The filter blocks IR for accurate color in daylight, and removing it enables IR sensitivity for night imaging. After the change, reconnect the module and boot the phone briefly to test camera response with an IR illuminator before final seat. To finish, power down, reseat connectors, and refit the module using original adhesive or thin 3M tape. Then close the back panel and secure screws. Once done, test in a dark room with the IR illuminator. Launch a manual camera app and increase exposure and ISO so you can actually see the scene. If the image is noisy or has purple/green artifacts, make sure no filter fragments remain and the sensor sits flush. Reopen if necessary. Clean gently and realign the cover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.